Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Codemode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about binary numbers, and in today's class we will learn about decimal systems. In the previous class we learned about byte, which is nothing but a group of 8 bits in which each bit represents 0 or 1. So a byte with 8 bits can have multiple possible values. Now, before I start, do not forget to like this video and follow our channel on YouTube. Especially if you're watching this video on YouTube, it takes a matter of a second to click subscribe button. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses like this. Let's begin. In order to understand binary number system, I want to do a quick refresher class on decimal system. And we all have learned this in our basic math. When you represent a number in basic math, in the decimal system, we have numbers from 0 to 9, and every number that we write is a combination of 0 to 9. Let me write down my college roll number. It used to be 6993. As you can see, all the numbers here are between 0 and 9. The number 6 or 9, 9 and 3. Now, you will also notice that each number has a position starting from unit position to 10th position. Here we call this unit position. This is our 10th position. This is 100th position. And this is 1000th position. The number 3 is at unit position, and as you go from right to left, because of the position of the number itself has a higher weightage, because 93 is nothing but 90 plus 3, which is 9 multiplied by 10 plus 3. It also means that it is 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 1 plus 3. That's why we called it as 10th position. 9 is on the 10th position here. So this is unit position. This is 10th position. This is 100th position, and this is 1000th position. Think of this, you are sitting in a stadium where this is the lowest one and this is the highest seat. As you go higher, you get a better view of the stadium. I'm just giving a fictitious example. You can also think of it as an hierarchical system in which your boss has more weightage than you. The person sitting above you has a better weightage and has more weightage and is more powerful. So even though number 9 is bigger than number 6, 6 is more powerful because it is sitting at the 1000th position. So this is 6000. We have all learned that, and as I said, this is a refresher class. Now this concept applies in other number systems too, and that is why it is important to remember that when we say 6993 or any number for that matter, it is basically we are saying 6 multiplied by 1000 plus 9 multiplied by 100 plus 9 multiplied by 10 plus 6993. This becomes 6993. You can also call this as 6 multiplied by 10 to the power 2 plus 9 multiplied by 10 to the power, this is 3, 2 plus 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 1 plus 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 0, which is 0th position. 10 to the power 0, any number with power 0 is 1. So this becomes 3 multiplied by 1, which is 3. But if you now just pay attention to how the power has moved, it is power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3. So at the lowest one was power 0, power 1, power 2 and power 3. And this is why we call this as a decimal system, because the base is number 10. Every position is driven by a multiple of 10. The lowest is 10 to the power 0. This value, next one is 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3. Once you understand this, then it will become very easy to understand the binary system. That's all in this class. If you have any question or any part of this concept, you can post it in the community on our platform, and someone like me or another student or another teacher would be happy to answer. Please take time to solve the quiz. Since we are dealing with basic math, it would be important to make sure that it is important to understand this concept and do a quick refresher on it. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Happy learning.